Hello, it looks like you were here to do your annotation assignment, and you probably already watched the video or listened in class about annotating. So for this, if you were doing this online, you will need to annotate by using the comment feature. And if you're live, you're probably going to actually write on the piece of paper I gave you. But the reading strategies are connected here. This is what the article is going to look like that I want you to read. And what you're going to do is just read it, and you're going to ask that you read it at least 2 times and use those strategies discussed in that video or that we discussed in class to show me the thinking that you're doing while you're reading. So I'm just going to model what I want you to do with the first paragraph. New York Magazine, Friendship, July 30th, 2015. And I'm thinking when I read that, 5 years ago is a while, but not too long. A new study explains why you and your 7th grade best friend drifted apart. Okay, I can't read this without thinking about the names of my 7th grade friends. So I can think of Liz, Sally, and I had a group of people I honestly can't think of. Jennifer, maybe? And Teresa. And I honestly can't remember some of the other names of the people, so I'm just going to put a couple of question marks. Most middle school friendships are pretty much doomed to fall apart, according to both the authors of a new study in psychological science and anyone who has ever been or known a middle schooler. Doomed to fall apart. That is sort of depressing. Especially since we are in the middle of a unit on friendship. The researchers, led by Amy C. Hartle of Florida Atlantic University, tracked 410 7th graders, checking in with the kids once a year, every year, until they were seniors in high school, and found that just 1% of the friendships formed in 7th grade were still intact by the 12th grade. Wow. That is really depressing. And what I'm sort of surprised by that. Only 1%? That's hardly any at all. That's kind of what I'm thinking about. I also noticed that it was done at a university. So I'm thinking it is probably reliable because they are in a university studying friendships. Sounds like the psychology department is doing that. Okay, so that's what I'm going to keep doing for the rest of this. Looks like the article isn't too terribly long. It's just a page and a little bit. And I want you to keep going. So you're going to start at the very beginning and use that comment feature. You actually have to hit the comment for me to see it. And then I'm going to encourage you to go back a second time and start from the beginning and see if there's anything you didn't notice the first time. You will find that once you do that close read, that sort of thing happens. So most middle school friendships are pretty much doomed to fall apart, according to both the authors of a new study in psychological science and anyone who has ever been or known a middle schooler. You know, now that I've spread that a second time, is she using sarcasm? I wonder, I feel like she's kind of being snarky a little bit, or maybe snarky isn't the right word, but just kind of like, well, of course that it is, but I didn't think about that, so I just noticed that the second time, and you're going to go all the way through a second time. Good luck with the assignment. I can't wait to talk to you guys about what you figure out and what you're thinking as you read.